Okay, welcome to video number 2 of our demo series. This is the login page. This is where you can create login access for all of your administrative users. Employee login access will be handled later on the employee page. We currently offer unlimited login access. We don't charge for additional administrative logins, employee logins, or the number of projects you create and manage. That's likely to change soon, so if you're interested in a subscription, you might want to take advantage of our current offer on our website. You can access that here. To begin, let's click on Add New Login. There are several different levels of access available, starting with full access, limited access, and Gantt access only. Full access gives you access to every feature and page in the program. Limited access offers you the option of selecting which pages the user can see. And Gantt access is mainly used to offer a link to your customer so that they can view your updated schedule. For login access, the only two fields that are critical are username and password. Let's fill this in before we continue. Next, we have PO access. You can issue purchase orders right from inside the program. So if you want someone to have the ability to write and issue purchase orders, you need to give them approval here. Or you can just give them edit access, which means they'll be able to receive material in and check it off and update the purchase order, but not create and issue them. Or you can select none and then they won't have any access to the purchase order system. Then we have master timesheet entry. Master timesheet entry gives your worker the ability to enter time for an entire crew. Generally, that's reserved for a foreman or a crew leader or someone of that capacity. From here, we can complete the login setup by entering the contact information for the individual if we want, and then clicking Update here. And you can see that the entry's been created. If you choose to give the employee the limited access, this is the screen you'll use to enter all of that information. It's much the same process, except that you can check off which pages you want to hide from the worker. Normally, if you're setting up access for a field worker like a superintendent or a foreman or a crew leader, you may want to, for example, hide the employees page so that they can't access other employees' wages and information. Also, you would probably hide some of the setup pages so that they can't change the setup of the project. This would enable them to be able to work with the schedule and process all of the data, but not be able to change anything within the project. Okay, that's it for the login page. Thank you for taking a look.